Hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good, Josh.
Minita.
Nice to meet you.
This is the man. So you're gonna program to the car?
Yes, I have to cut the key first. We'll do that right now, and then we'll program it.
Okay.
It should take like 30 minutes or so. If you want, you can hang out, or you can go inside. We'll give you a call. It's up to you.
Okay, I'm gonna be right to the block car.
You got it.
Okay, alright.
Thank you. All right, so we're doing 2 keys. We're gonna cut them both at the same time. Let's program the remote. Both the keys work. All right. You are all set.
All set?
Yes.
Okay.
This is your old key.
Okay.
And these are your new ones. Let's show you. Thank you. Let me get you the change.
That is fine.
We post small videos online. Is it okay if we
I
share?
went on TikTok this morning and I saw you guys.
Yeah, cool.
So that's why I called.
Likewise.
Thank
Have a
you,
great
guys.
day. If you ever need anything, we're here.
Yeah.
Take care. Enjoy the weather.